Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming, and today we are going to review this Mech Guard wallet, alright, by Peakzooc, alright, and yeah, this is a metallic wallet, alright, to hold your card or cash, or even your AirTag, which is really cool. And I'm going to unbox this and see what we get inside the box over here. Alright, so overall, the packaging looks really nice, alright, very slim. Let's cut this open with my penknife, and let's see what we get inside here. Okay, so we get a what's this? Oh, we got an envelope, and oh, we get a thank you card right over here. That's very nice. You guys can pause and read it. All right. So yeah, it's really nice of them to include, you know, a thank you card for the purchase. I think this is very nice. I mean, if you're a customer and you saw a thank you card inside here, I mean, you will be very satisfied and you will be a recurring customer, I would say so. All right, and wow, okay, we have the metallic wallet over here. As I drop out, we just put this over here first. See what other things we get inside here. Okay, so we do get a quick start guide over here, alright, to show you guys how you guys can get started and play around with the wallet itself. You guys can see over here, really nice. Okay, we do get what is this? Well, let's see. I'm kind of curious what we have as an accessory for a wallet itself. Okay, what are those? Oh, I get it. Okay, so this is like some few extra screws. Alright, a few extra screws. I hope you guys can see a few tiny screws for the wallet itself, and extra piece of accessories that you might need it in the future, I would say so. Okay, and we do get a metal screwdriver as well. Okay, so they don't even, for the screwdriver, they don't even like cheap out the quality. They give you a full metal screwdriver that you can use for other things in the future as well. Really nice. Alright, most of them they will just throw in like a cheap 50-cent screwdriver, and the best part about this is, alright, the screwdriver can be removed. So you guys have like spare parts for spare screwdriver like this, you guys can always use it to change the screwdriver. That's really nice. They give you an actual functioning screwdriver, alright. Right now I'm geeking out on the screwdriver they are giving, so I'm kind of very happy with the first impression on the free things that they give, alright. Really nice. But now we're going to focus on the wallet itself. I think the wallet feels really cool, alright. Alright, so they says put AirTag in this case. So now I understand what is this thing for, alright. So what this and the 4 screws are for, and the screwdriver is for. Basically, you just put your AirTag inside here, alright, and just put this over it to screw it on, alright, to keep your AirTag in place. So if in the case of like you lost your wallet, alright, the person who stole your wallet cannot remove this one. They have to unscrew it to remove the AirTag, so you are safe for a while, and then you can start tracking where the person went to if they even in the event where they want to steal your wallet. Alright, it's screwed in, so there's no way of removing it on the spot instant unless the robber or the theft brought a screwdriver along with them, but most of the time you still got time to track it down. So it's a very clever invention. Right over here, alright, this is where for the AirTag itself. Alright, so yeah, in case anything happen, no one can take it out. And you guys can see the wallet itself, the whole thing is metallic, okay? So the whole thing is metal, so there's a decent weight to it, but it just feels really premium, very futuristic, alright? Like some mechanism over here, super cool, alright? And they do comes in, what is, oh, it's a magnet. Look at this, there's a magnet over here. So you can stick this at the back of your phone. For example, if my phone doesn't have a MagSafe, alright, I can just stick this over here, and I can just, you know, put the wallet right on top of it, alright, so I can just stick it to my phone. Really nice. And the wallet is, and the magnet is very strong, alright. You guys can see the magnet is super strong. Look at that. Okay, it's super strong magnet over here. So if you have an iPhone and not an Android phone, and you want to use MagSafe with it, just slap this onto it and you are good to go. Well, in fact, I do have an iPhone with a MagSafe, so let's see how this thing goes on. It just goes on really nice on your iPhone. So if you're using an iPhone with a MagSafe itself, you guys can just put the magnet onto it itself, and yeah, you're good to go. So you guys can use it, and it's not really that big as well. So yeah, it's really nice. Okay, and this thing is also RFID protected. So in case like you know, some people want to steal your money, and you know just like, you know, just scanning their phone directly to like steal your money, this RFID protected. And let's see how many cards we can fit. Also, I have a few cards over here, and let's see how many cards we can put this in. Okay, so let's see how do we slot it in. Do we slot it in this way? Oh, okay, we slot the card in this way. Okay, we can put a few cards inside here. Really cool. Okay, I can put a card here. Can put another card. So you can put like a few cards, I think. 3 cards, 4 cards. Yep, 4 cards is fine. And last but not least, I have a metal card over here. Okay, so this thing is metallic card. So it's slightly thicker. Let's see if it fits in as well. Well, yeah, it certainly fits in. It's fit in pretty well. So there's about like 5 or 6 cards with a metal card inside here. Alright, really, really cool. And yeah, the whole wallet is over here. Okay, so if you want to get the cards out, you just have to slide it, okay? And yeah, it's exposed to different cards you have. You guys can see. Okay, why is it showing on my side? Okay, so you have to pull it down from one side, and you guys can see all the cards over here, and you guys can get the card you want out of it. And that's how you do that. So it's really cool. You guys can have like choose multiple cards you want to slide it out, and have the OCBC one. And bam, okay, so it slides out, and yeah, you guys can just like, you know, bam, alright. You know, it looks just so like James Bond, right? Okay, I'm gonna use this for payment. I'm gonna slide this out. Deep to go. Alright, so yeah, it fits a lot of different cards inside here, which I'm really, really awesome, alright? Or you guys can, if you have cards inside here, you guys can just push it up and just like get it out. Bam, look at that. Okay, so it's out. Very, very awesome. And one more thing they do have is this thing over here. Okay, so they do have a phone stand. There you go. Okay, so you guys can like put your phones over here. You guys can see, alright, it also doubles as a phone stand. Here we go. You guys can see. Yeah. Okay, so this thing also doubles as a phone stand wherever you want to watch movie. Alright, just get up, grab your wallet out, open this thing, flips this thing up. Alright, the AirTag one, just flip it up. Alright, put it on your desk, put your phone on it, and oops, put your phone on it. Alright, just get the edges right, and bam, you have your very own phone stand that is also wallet. So, but don't forget both of this when you are leaving the table. Okay, okay. So yeah, this is how you can use it. Really, really nice wallet with all these different various features built in. Especially, I love the RFID protection one. Imagine nowadays where anyone can just take a terminal up to you and just like swipe their cards, and just swipe the terminal and beep. $1,000 is gone. Alright, so this is very risky nowadays. But even if you have your wallet in your pocket, people can just swipe it, or even have it in your bag. People can just move the terminal. You know, nowadays a lot of like contactless terminals around that you guys can purchase and, you know, use it for payment. Alright, people can just bring it up to your bag behind you, behind your pocket, and just beep and walk away without you even noticing. So it's a very dangerous world out there. So you have to realize that, you know, an RFID protected wallet is very, very important. And the best part about this is to give you an AirTag, so you can put your AirTag in, screw it in, so that when the theft or the robber, they cannot remove the AirTag immediately until they get their hands on a screwdriver itself. So you guys can have time to track it down, which is one of the features that I love about this, especially when traveling overseas. Alright, you guys can ensure that your cards stay safe, alright, with this Mech wallet right over here. Holding metallic with a MagSafe as well on it, so you guys can stick it to any of the iPhone that comes with a MagSafe, or you guys can stick it to any Android that doesn't have it. You guys can always use the included magnetic ring over here for you to stick it to the wallet itself. So yeah, it's really amazing. They include all these things for you, and the wallet is feels very, very premium. Very, very well made as well, and it holds up to a lot of cards. What I have here is about 6 to 7 cards, and it can hold them pretty well. So yeah, there's nothing I complain about this really nice wallet. You guys check out this Peakzooc Mech wallet. You guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this wallet for yourself right now. Alright, so yeah, don't miss out on this opportunity. This is a really, really awesome, cool looking wallet that you guys can get ice, and a really nice conversation starter, especially when you want to pay for food and you just grab this wallet out like, hey, let me just pay for food instead, and just like, you know, just like boom, one card up, beep. Alright, next. You know, you guys can do that with this wallet, and people are like, whoa, what wallet is that? That's so cool, so nice looking, and the black is very minimalistic, and there's a carbon fiber texture details over here. You guys haven't noticed that, alright? And I forgot to mention about it, alright? Look at that. Alright, it is so nice. Okay, so yeah, once again, if you want to check out this Peakzooc Mech wallet, you guys can check out the first link in the description down below and get this wallet for yourself right now, and look no further than anywhere else. We are looking for a card holder or a wallet that is safe and sound. Okay, you guys can check out this. Once again, I'll link them the first link in the description down below. So yeah, that's all for the guys. If you want me to review more wallets like this, you guys can let me know in the comment section as well. And without further ado, this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.